Assalamu alaikum grade 10 students. Today I am going to continue my topic as we started about restoration of democracy 1988 to 1999, and the second subheading of this topic is Nawaz Sharif first term government 1990 to 1903. Before I am going to start my topic, you should open your books page number 15 and play my video to make sure that you should understand my topic perfect. After the dismissal of Benazir's government, fresh elections were held on 20th October 1990. The head of IJI, Mia Nawaz Sharif, formed electoral alliance with Awami National Party (ANP) and Muhajir Qawmi Movement (MQM). The IJI won 105 out of 206 seats in the National Assembly, while the People's Democratic Alliance got only 45 seats. On 16 November 1990, Nawaz Sharif was elected as the Prime Minister of the country. Nawaz Sharif announced self-employment scheme to reduce the unemployment. The issue of proportionate division of official resources among the provinces, but this government by the National Finance Commission Award (NFC Award) allied to a great extent the grievances of the small provinces in order to boost up the agricultural production. On 20th December 1992, a 10-year educational plan was announced. According to that, a target was set up to give admissions to 100% children to schools till 2002, so that the literacy rate could be increased from 34% to 70%. Under this plan, 4 universities in the public sector and 12 in the private sector were to be established. Like the previous government, on 18th April 1993, the President Ghulam Ishaq, exercising his constitutional powers, dissolved Nawaz Sharif's government and imposed the martial law. Gohar Ayub Khan, the then Speaker of National Assembly, challenged his decision in the Supreme Court of Pakistan. The court resorted Nawaz Sharif's government on 20th May 1993. Means on 20th May 1993, Nawaz Sharif's government were terminated. Since the differences between Nawaz Sharif's government and the president became so severe, the army had to intervene. As a result, both of them had to resign. So that was all about the first term government of Nawaz Sharif from 1990 to 1993. Nawaz Sharif did great things, but he could not establish the great relationship between him and President Ghulam Ishaq. So when the condition between both Nawaz Sharif and the President Ghulam Ishaq were going severe, then army intervened, and as a result both of them had to resign from their official posts. In my next topic, I will explain you about the Benazir's government second term 1993 to 1996. Till that, if you have any confusion in this topic, Nawaz Sharif first term government, you can ask me in the Google Classroom in the comment section. I will give you reply over there. So please stay at home, stay safe, and save lives. Thank you very much.